What's up guys? This video I want to do a comparison on these two digital clocks right here. This one right here is by Wedge Clocks. This one is this black, very small, compact. It has two different alarm settings. You can set two different times as you wish. The buttons you need are on top, and it is battery operated as well as plug-in. Okay, this one right here, this one is by Equity. It's a nice bright pink one. It's a cube, very different in shape, but it also has the time, and along that with that it has the date as well, and the display of the alarm time that you want to set it at. The snooze button's on top, and all the buttons you need are on the back to set up your time and alarm, guys. Overall, two great products. If I had to choose, I like the fact that this one has two different alarm settings.